All right, my peeps, I'm back, and this is the saltfish, so I'm gonna strain off this water. And that's the second water, guys. I strained off the water before, so you get the saltfish soft and nice. And let me taste it. I like a lot of saltfish in my fritters, so just break it up and pick it up like that. I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. I don't want to put too much, all right? So we're gonna do one mix in here, okay? I'm gonna pour my saltfish in. And right here, I hope you can see it, I have my tomato, my onions, and I'm just gonna pour that in, pick them up. All right. And then I have my scallion and some scotch bonnet pepper, or green onion. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper, about half teaspoon of black pepper. And this is my secret. I will leave a link to this. This is my blended seasoning. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon. It has garlic, pimento, thyme, scallion, all of the goodness in there, okay guys? Parsley, cilantro, all of that in this. Scotch bonnet pepper, very spicy. I will leave a link to that. All right, and this is it. That's all you need, okay? You want some water, and we're just gonna mix this. That's it. You don't need any salt. If you like it more watery, add more water. If you like it thick, then you know, then don't put too much water. I like it in between, so I'm not gonna make mine too watery. So this is how I want mine, okay guys? Just a little bit more water, about a tablespoon more. All right, and this is how I'm gonna make mine. I don't want it too runny. I'm gonna fry few first, and then I'm gonna add some curry to it and show you how you can do it the curry way. So I'm gonna do it two ways for you, okay? And I have some canola oil. Not too much, but just enough. And this is the goodness. So you can scoop it in or you can spoon it in, all right? It's up to you. You can make them big or you can make them small. I like to flatten them out a little bit. Oopsie. We're gonna do 4. What you want to do now, just let them fry up, all right, until they start to brown up. Then you can flip them over. You want to give them about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Make them take time fry up, all right? So we're gonna have a look at them now. Oh, perfect. And what I like to do, guys, I don't know about you, but I like to press them out. So once I flip them over, I'm gonna use my fork and I'm gonna press it out a little bit. All right, reason why I do this, guys, so the inside can be dry and nice, because I notice when you don't press it out, the inside kind of more floury like. All right, so just go ahead and press it out. Try it this way and tell me what you think. When you press it out, it comes crispy and nice. Okay? All right, now I'm gonna give this another 3 minutes or so, and it should be good. While them they are fry up and all of that, we're gonna put the curry in this batch. So over here I have some paprika. I'm gonna put like 1/2 teaspoon, and I have some curry. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon, not much, okay? Just like that. You just want to mix this in, okay? And that's how you get the curry style. That side is done, so you give them 2 to 3 minutes. They should be good. Now, what I like to do, flip them over one more time, and then you get them crispy and nice. Ready? So another 30 seconds to a minute, and you can take them out. All right, my peeps, now I think they're done. Can you see that? All right, and we're gonna put them over here to drain the excess oil. Whoopsie. All right, and now this is the curry part, and we're gonna do the same thing. And my peeps, I forgot to tell you, I'm using the boneless saltfish or codfish, but if you're using the one with the bones, you go ahead and pick out the bones out of it. All right, you don't want no bones in it. Now we're gonna just flip them over and press them out. What do you know about this, boy? What am I making here? What am I making?
Starfish with some vegetables.
And what you call it? What Jamaican people call it? Okay. Alright guys, we're just gonna let this fry up. Now I'm gonna flip them over one more time. Alright. Another minute and they're all done. Okay, we're all done now, and we're just gonna take them out. Look at that goodness. You see that? So we're gonna drain the excess oil. All right, my peeps, so there you have it, the regular version, saltfish fritters, and then we have the curry. All right, I'm just gonna plate up some. I have some leftovers chickpeas, curry chickpeas in coconut milk, and I put some in the middle, and here goes. All right, look how crunchy and nice they are. Oh my god. So we're gonna place some here, just gonna plate it up nicely. All right, I think we're gonna do 3 and 3. I don't think he can hold 4, so we're gonna put 3 right there. That's the curry, and then we're gonna put 3 of the other one. I think it can hold all of them, by the way. I think it can hold all of them. And this is it. This is what I'm serving up. All right, saltfish fritters or saltfish fritters. Okay, and I did it both ways for you, the curry version and the plain old-fashioned version. All right, yes, and you can eat it with whatever you want, or you can eat it by itself. But I have some leftovers curry chickpeas here. I will leave a link to this one, vegan, vegetarian friendly, and this is what I'm serving up. Yes. All right, my peeps, this is it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. You have a good day. Bye guys.